You guys, I'm so excited. I finally got the Snuffle mat that all the dog moms are talking about. It's a multi-use enrichment toy that can hide treats in multiple places to create a game of hide and seek for your pups. Once I Velcro the orange slices back together, I throw a couple extra treats at the top and let Bane get right to it. I love that the orange slices and peel are Velcro together, making it more challenging to find the treats. Another exciting part about the Snuffle mat is that the orange slices have a crinkle paper and even a squeaker to make it even more fun. Bane is definitely a huge fan of playing hide and seek with his treats. I definitely recommend this to all the dog moms and their pups.